is Stace McGee, and I am the new VP of Architecture and Development at Dvele. I am in our factory in California, where we have been producing modules for the past 6 years. As you can see, we have a whole bunch of modules in here that we are producing down the line. And as we all know, in the United States of America, we have a huge housing crisis. We believe the solution to fixing that crisis is modular building. As you can see, we build in a controlled environment. We're back in the area where the framing is done for the modules. Not only is modular an extremely efficient way of building, it's an efficient use of materials, but it's also efficient use of labor. We actually can build quicker than we can out on the site. We don't have weather delays and things of that nature. As we all know, we're also dealing with a crisis, a labor crisis across our country. There are not enough people to build homes. In a factory-built environment, we get to solve those issues, which means we get product out at less expensive than some typical stick-built and faster.